you Corbin Rayleigh?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Rojas, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
He will, Your Honor.
Mr. Rayleigh, in cause number 25 DCCR 1482, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of engaging in organized criminal activity, and that's from September 28th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Yes, guilty, right? Something. Right.
Right away you can sense the judge trying to get a clear answer in criminal court. There's no middle ground between guilty and not guilty. If a defendant hesitates during a plea, the judge has to make sure they fully understand what they're admitting to. That's not just procedure, it's about protecting everyone's rights.
So did you do this?
Did you do it or did you not do it? If you did it, it's guilty. If you didn't do it, then it's not guilty and we have a trial.
I committed a misdemeanor under that.
The underlying offense is a misdemeanor assault, Judge, because it was in combination with 3 people or more. He feels it should be a misdemeanor, but Mr. Coleman and Mr. Nichols wouldn't reduce it.
And you've talked to him about what engaging in organized criminal activity means. So you've gone over all of this with Mr. Rojas, right?
A little bit, yeah.
All right, I'm going to hold the case. Y'all go talk.
Yeah.
Ask any questions you have of Mr. Rojas. Listen carefully.
Just when it looked like the plea hearing was moving forward, the entire case takes a sharp turn. Watch closely. Sometimes it isn't the original charge that changes someone's future, it's what happens after the arrest that really catches the judge's attention.
His answers, he's telling you what the law is, and then we'll decide. You can decide if you want to take the deal or not, or if you want to go to trial. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Pretty good.
So you're Corbin Rayleigh?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Rayleigh, you were here just last week or the week before.
Yes, ma'am.
And you pled guilty to an offense, and you were told to go to the probation department and do a pre-sentence report.
Yes, ma'am.
And I've gotten a memo from them that has some unfortunate information in here about how you acted while you were there and visiting with them.
Yes, ma'am. I was over the phone when the lady was arguing and stuff. I just wanted the information on when I was supposed to leave.
This is the moment everything changes. Revoking a bond isn't an automatic punishment. It's a decision based on whether the court still trusts the defendant to follow the rules while awaiting sentencing. Once that confidence disappears, the judge has broad authority to reconsider.
That was it.
That's not how this reads.
They
were so frustrated with you that they said they will not do a pre-sentence report while you're on bond. So do you know what that means?
My bond has to be paid off.
No, that means I'm going to revoke your bond.
Okay.
And you're going to go to jail.
Yeah.
And then they're going to come to the jail and do the pre-sentence report. And you're going to be respectful to them. Or I don't have to go along with this plea agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the pressure is building. The defendant realizes he's about to lose his freedom and starts searching for another option. But once a judge announces a bond revocation, changing course becomes much more difficult than many people expect.
So listen, it's time to get a whole different attitude about all of this. I understand. I remember now when you were here, you don't like the whole situation. Hang on, don't overtalk me, because that's going to show me what you're doing to them. Okay? Now it's just the time to listen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right? And just do what you're told. There's not an excuse for what you did. You didn't just try to ask for some information. Okay, they wouldn't have sent this. They're very, very patient.
I just want to let you know I got a whole different view about it on the whole situation now too. I just got to meet my son for the first time on Friday. So
well, this is very unfortunate.
Yeah.
So but here's the thing: there's no reason for you to still not get this probation. But I don't have a choice now but to get this pre-sentence report.
Notice what the defendant is asking for. Wants the phone recordings played as evidence. Whether those recordings ultimately help or hurt would normally be decided through the proper legal process, not in the middle of this hearing. Timing in court can be just as important as the evidence itself.
Done. So I'm going to hang on. I'm going to revoke your bond in your case at this time. You're going to go with the bailiff. Probation's going to come to the jail. They're going to do this pre-sentence report. Probably not today.
Do I get a new bond today?
I'm not giving you a bond because you couldn't act right while you were on bond, which shows me that you see where I'm.
Yeah, can we just like revoke the deal and take it to trial? I can't afford to go to jail, please.
You're going to jail regardless. Why?
Yeah,
because do you want me to read the memo?
Yeah, the whole thing. Yeah, can we play the voice recordings of the phone call in here today too, if that's the case? Because if you're just gonna believe what she says, then I believe I have the right to fight on behalf of what I have to say, and we need to be able to play those phone recordings.
You're gonna go do that. You're gonna go do that pre-sentence report.
Phone recordings today.
and you're going to go and hopefully be respectful and hopefully get this probation and not ruin your life over this. This is very,
as long as you think I'll be in
it's a
there.
very temporary situation. Mr. Rojas can come back and talk to you. I'm revoking your bond at this time. I find it's in the best interest until sentencing that there not be a bond. You can go back with the bailiff.
This case raises a bigger question than just guilt or innocence. Courtroom outcomes often depend not only on the crime itself but also on credibility at a duty and whether a defendant follows court instructions. What do you think? Did the judge make the right call, or should the defendant have been given one more chance? Let us know in the comments.